Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the TYLT TUNZ Portable Bluetooth Speaker. Alright, now this is hot right here. First up, let me show you the website real quick so you can see where to get it from. I hit up TYLT.com. I'll throw the link up in the description. Now, shout out to everybody who watched my videos. You already see me do a bunch of products from TYLT. This is one of my favorite companies that I get gadgets from. You see me do the Energy Backpack. That's my favorite travel bag. If you never seen that video, you better go check that out. That's a definite win right there. You see me do the Energy 2K charger. You see me do the sliding power case for your Galaxy S5. You see me do a bunch of bumpers for the iPhone 5 and the iPhone 5S. And you also see me do the Energy case for the iPhone 5S and the iPhone 5. So now we're going to take a look at the TUNZ Portable Bluetooth Speaker. Alright, so the TUNZ is a rechargeable Bluetooth speaker. TUNZ feature set was created to deliver mind-blowing sound combined with the ultimate and new NFC and battery technology. Alright, now it comes in three colors. You got black, red, and blue. Now the thing about it is it comes with three colors, but they all come in the same box. And we're going to get into that in a minute. So you buy one, you get in all three colors. Alright, so you got some info right here. TUNZ delivers incredible sound for its compact size because we use two 3-watt drivers and a passive radiator for superior bass quality. All right, it shows you what you get inside the box. You get the TUNZ rechargeable Bluetooth speaker. You get interchangeable vibration canceling silicone bands, 3 of them. So that's what's going to change the color for you. So you're going to get red, blue, and black. Okay, you get your micro USB charging cable, 3.5mm auxiliary cable. You get a carrying bag, a user's guide, and a 1-year limited warranty. Okay, now you also got some tech specs right here. Now let's go through the features real quick. Now it's NFC enabled. All right, so it includes NFC Tagstand launcher. That's an app. I'll show you how to get that real quick. But this is NFC enabled, so now you can pair it using NFC, or you can also pair it with Bluetooth, or you can also use a wired connection. All right, now that app is for Android. Now it also has a 2,800 milliamp battery that plays music up to 20 hours at 50% volume. Okay, you get a universal USB charging port with 1 amp output for external charging devices. Charge your phone and keep on rocking. So what that means is you could actually charge your phone while you're playing music out of the speaker. All right, so that's a double win right there. You get touch controls that control your volume, play, pause, hands-free calling. All right, so now you can answer the phone and you can hang up a phone call using the Bluetooth speaker. So now if you got music playing and you get a phone call, press the button, answer the call. Okay, includes 3 interchangeable vibration canceling silicone bands, red, blue, and black, 2 3-watt speakers. Now, the price for this. Let's check out the price on this one now. The price for this will run you $150. All right, $150 on the price, but trust me, when you buy anything from TYLT, everything that I got from TYLT so far has been completely worth the price. I never had a fail from them yet, so I'm assuming that these are going to be a go. Now, I only heard them once in the store. Around the corner from my house, they got them in the electronics store. Trust me, I needed these. All right, and I'm going to show you a trick you can do with these TUNZ speakers also. All right, now you can pause this and read it for yourself, but let's just go over this real quick. TUNZ delivers incredible sound from such a small place because we use 2 3-watt drivers and a passive radiator for superb bass quality. All right, we went through that. Let's check out the features. NFC enabled, 2,800 milliamp battery. All right, all the same features and specs again. Go to the website, check it out for yourself. And you also got a nice little instructional video to give you a basic rundown. But we'll go through all those features right now. Now let's pop it open. If you ever bought anything from TYLT or you've seen any of my other videos, TYLT is famous for presentation. And yeah, look, y'all know I like a nice box. TYLT always delivers. Anything you get from TYLT, you're going to have that TYLT imprinted onto the box like this. Major win. But look at this though. You get your push to open right here. Just a nice, beautiful presentation right here. Now for $150, that's what you expect. Okay, so you got your Bluetooth NFC. Okay, 20 hours of talk time and music time. Free NFC app. Superior bass performance. Connect wirelessly. Made for smartphones and tablets. Charge your mobile device. All right, so you're charging your phone while you're playing music at the same time. And like I said, you get 3 colors that come with the box. All right, so you get 3 colors. So they got the red one on right here, but you get black and you also get blue. So now let me pop this open. I want to be careful opening this up because I'm feeling this presentation. I'm definitely going to use this box for storage. So fellas, no beast mode on this one. Deactivate your beast mode at home. We're just going to pop this one open real simple. All right, so now we're going to press those buttons. It says press to open. Let's press that button right here. Oh, let me peel this stick off real quick. Okay, so press to open. Oh, of course, I forgot to peel the other side off. All right. So now press to open, and this will slide right up. Okay, really nice presentation. All right, 2,800 milliamp. All right, okay, now this rapid 1 amp charging output, hands-free calling, touch-sensitive controls. Really, really nice presentation. Now let's open this up. Some more stickers in here, looks like. Let's see. Okay. Open this way. All right. Take that top off. Peel this out. Really, really nice presentation. I can't stress that enough. And y'all know I like that nice box. Now you get the usual books and shit. Store that to the side. You get a nice carrying bag. Let me smell this. Smells like some kind of synthetic material, but a nice carrying bag with a little gripped pattern on it. Very distinctive. Comes with a drawstring at the top, so when you put the speaker in it, close it up just like that. See what you get inside this box right here. Okay, now you get your micro USB cable. You get your auxiliary cable. Now this is where you could connect it to your phone and just play music through a wide connection, or you could connect it to an old school MP3 player if you got the first generation iPods that don't have Bluetooth. Connect it with these auxiliary wires. And you could get 2 of these auxiliary wires and you could connect 2 of these speakers together. So you know I'm definitely getting another one of these. I just want to hear the sound first in the house, but I'm definitely going to get another one of these. I have 2 of these set up on my computer table. All right, inside, now here goes the rest of the vibration canceling rubber sleeves. Let's unfold these. Okay, just like this. So you see the red one is on here right now. We're going to leave the red for the video, but you got black and you also got blue. All right, so 2 different colors. That's a win right there. Now you don't have to pick which color you're going to buy. Just buy one. You got all the colors. Some nice company branding on it. Nice thick rubber. Nice coating on it. Now for the speaker. NFC enabled. Okay. You got your Bluetooth button. Volume up and down, plus and minus. If you look at the back, you got your auxiliary in. You got your auxiliary out. This way, like I said, you could connect 2 speakers together. You got your 5-volt, 1 amp charger. Charge up your phone at the same time. This is how you're going to charge the actual battery up. Plug it in right there in the 5-volt input, and you got your power. Alright, so just power it on, and it should turn on. Now, I don't know if there's any battery in this. I'm going to pause the video, charge it up for a few minutes, and let's test it out. Okay, so I just plugged it in and let it charge up for a few minutes. Now we can test it out. First, let's look at the build quality and the button placement. As far as the build quality, this is a go. Nice solid build, real nice weight to it, not too heavy, but you can feel the quality. Soft matte finish to it, real smooth. Now if you look at the top, you have your soft touch buttons. Now what that means is you're not going to hear a click sound. All you have to do is rest your finger on it and that'll activate the function. So you got plus and minus, volume up and down. You have a multifunctional button right here that has a Bluetooth symbol on it. So this is what you're going to use to pair it to your phone or your tablet. You have a microphone and you have your call button. Now this is what you're going to use to answer phone calls and hang up on phone calls. Keep in mind you could also change these rubber pieces. You got blue and black that come with it, or you could use it without rubber on it at all. But I suggest that you leave the rubber on it because that's going to cancel out that vibration. So when the bass starts dropping on this, if you're not using the rubber, it's going to vibrate on the table. If you look at the back, you have your auxiliary in and your auxiliary out. Now it comes with the auxiliary cable. So if you have a device that doesn't have Bluetooth or NFC, one of these old school MP3 players or whatever, all you have to do is plug one end into auxiliary in, the other end into the 3.5mm headphone jack, and play music just like that. All right, so you can use a wired connection. Now, if you have two of these TYLT TUNZ speakers, you can play them together. Plug one end into auxiliary in, the other one into auxiliary out on the next speaker, and play two speakers at the same time. So that's going to be sick. Now, when I get the next speaker, I'll do an update video to let y'all hear how that sounds. But already know that's going to be a good look. Next, you have your output 5V 1 amp. This is what you, if you want to use this speaker as a battery charger, you just plug in the USB cable, plug one end into the speaker and one end into your phone or your tablet or whatever device you want to charge up, and use it as a battery charger. You have your input. This is how you charge your speaker, and your on and off switch. Now, the red light, that means it's charging, so let's turn it on. Okay, you hear that sound? That means it just powered up. Now, if I had a full charge, this light will be blue. First, let's get the NFC app now. Make sure your phone has NFC enabled. iPhone users, eat your heart out. Tap it to the side of the phone, tap the phone to the speaker, and wait for it to pair up. There it goes. Now it's going to take you directly to the Play Store and pull up the Trigger app. Just install that app real quick. Now, just for the sake of the video, I'm going to pair this up using Bluetooth. But, you know, because a lot of y'all cats got iPhones and all that, so we're not going to get too deep into the NFC app. But let's just see some of the features. Save time when driving, silence my phone, you know, bunch of different features. Play with it for yourself. But like I said, let's do it Bluetooth style. All right, so let me go to my Bluetooth settings. Now, all you have to do is hold the Bluetooth button down for 6 seconds.
Pairing mode activated.
Pair mode activated. Let's scan for devices. Okay, you got the TYLT TUNZ.
TUNZ is connected.
TUNZ is connected. Just that simple. All right, now, keep in mind, like I said, multifunctional buttons. If you want to check the battery, you just hold on the call button and the Bluetooth button at the same time.
Low battery.
Low battery. All right, so you can check the battery status. I'm definitely feeling the audible alerts. That's a good look. Now for the part that we all been waiting for, let's test the sound. All right, so let me go to my music library real quick, pick out a special song, and see what we got on deck. Let's see if we got some Mobb Deep, because y'all know that's how I usually rock out with my sound test. Let's drop the Mobb Deep on here. Let's turn the volume up.
Yo, you know it. Infamous 99.
The speaker sounds great. Right out the gate, I can tell you that the speaker sounds really nice.
Yeah. Straight thugs on this side.
Nice amount of bass to it.
Like the terminal ill, taking their last breath. Read your last right. God forgive me for the sin I'm about to commit. Taking the life.
This speaker sounds hot. Let's play some other music too. Let's see. My other. On a scale of 1 to 10, this speaker is a go. You heard that bass? Now, I can imagine if you take this off and play it without the rubber, it's definitely going to be vibrating a lot. Now, I don't know if the video is doing it any justice, but you could hear the bass vibrating. It has a quality sound to it. And I can only imagine playing two of these together, using these as your computer desk speakers or, you know, in your game room or your man cave setup. This is going to be hot. All right, so on a scale of 1 to 10, this is a win. You see all the features it has on it. Battery check and, you know, audible alerts. Battery. This is a win right here. And keep in mind, it's also a battery charger. So once this is fully charged, when you're at the barbecue or wherever you at and you're playing music and your phone starts to die, bring your little cable with you, plug one end in, plug the other end into your phone, and get some charge up. So this is 2-in-1. Battery charger and speaker together. All right, so like I said, on the scale of 1 to 10, this is a win. Check it out for yourself. Now let's look how the storing looks. Let's throw it in the case and see how that looks. This is what it's gonna look like when you're traveling. All right, so drop it in the case. Nice little drawstring at the top. Move out like this. Like I said, on the scale of 1 to 10, this is a win. I'm probably gonna go with the black color for tonight. Who knows? Maybe I'll switch up. But you have options. All right, so overall, this is a win. Check out the link for yourself. And one more thing. Now, y'all know I'm the Amazon warrior, so I had to check and see if they got it on Amazon for, for a couple of dollars cheaper. And of course, on Amazon, they got it for $138. So I'll throw the link up in the description if you want to save about, $10, $12 on Amazon. Do what you got to do. And especially if you're a member of Amazon Prime, you get that free 2-day shipping. All right, so that's a win. Shout out to everybody that rock with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. It's your boy Floss. I'll catch up with y'all on the next trip. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody watching the Amazon Warrior videos. You already know, get your drinks ready. We going back in on Sunday. Oh yeah, before I get out of here, one more thing. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, get back to your lunch. It's your boy Floss. I'm out. Deuces.